Welcome to this tutorial on how to make a YouTube channel. There are two main methods to making a YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you both these methods. First, you need to follow my instructions on the screen. You want to open YouTube, so type youtube.com in your search bar and click enter. You can pause the screen and do this yourself. If you already have YouTube open, great. We'll move on to step 2. After getting to YouTube, you want to obviously sign in. And then after signing in with your Google account, you want to click. So this is method 1. There's two methods. The first method involves using your channel, your main YouTube account as your channel, and the second method involves making a separate channel that's not connected to your account. Meaning if you log in with Google and you're browsing YouTube, you make a comment, these comments won't be affiliated with your channel. I'll explain why and how. So, to make your main YouTube account a channel, you just click create channel. So top right corner, click your little avatar icon or name, and then you want to go down here and click create a channel. After doing so, you can upload a picture and give it a name, but after doing so, you will have your channel available and ready. And then you can get started with your YouTube channel. However, this method is not recommended. Instead, it's recommended to make a separate account on your YouTube, to make a separate channel on your YouTube account. This is because if you subscribe, if you like or comment on a video, you don't want that to be affiliated with your YouTube account or channel. Let's say you make a channel about tutorials, and then you go onto a funny video and you start replying, "Oh my god, this is hilarious." You don't want to make your educational channel and the comments be on the same page. Instead, you want to make them separate. So what is recommended is that you go to switch account, and then you want to click the view all channels. So once again, top right corner, go down, below YouTube Studio, you'll see switch account. After clicking switch account, you want to click view all channels. And then you want to click this button, which says create a channel. After that, you want to give your channel a name. It's a test 3.0. And then you want to click here. I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. And then you want to click create. This will now create a separate channel that you can upload your stuff to. This is good for keeping all of your main stuff private and all of your watch and search history private as well. Now this is a separate channel I can work with. You might be asking, how do I access my different channels then? Or how do I access my accounts? Go to switch account, and then it will show you your first account, which is your main account, and then your channel account, which is a separate account that you can use YouTube through. So this is my main Google account, my main YouTube account, sorry. If I click YouTube, I'm viewing under this account. Now, if I want to upload a video on my YouTube account or do anything, I can click here, and then I can start uploading videos. I hope this tutorial helped anyone who wants to get started, and that's it. Thank you for watching.